Good morning. At least it's good morning for me. I thought today for the newsletter I could toss out a little meditation in our inner circle healthy habit this month. We're talking about meditation and breathing, but it's so amazing to have a practice meditating or breathing that I wanted to just throw it out for everybody, but more specifically, how wonderful it is to be able to use the meditation in so many different ways. There are so many schools of ways to meditate that I am not at all suggesting this is the right way, but there are ways that can help you sort of shift wherever you are. And so today I thought we could use a meditation sort of aligning ourselves with the way we want to be feeling. So if we woke up feeling anxious about our day, or we woke up feeling worried about the news, or sort of a dark heaviness about us, we can use our meditation sort of to pick ourselves up where we are. Okay, so finding a comfortable position here, nice relaxed position. Close your eyes if you want to and just relax the muscles of your mouth and tongue and throat. And so my intention right now is to appeal to those of you who may be not feeling great. Maybe you're feeling a little chaotic on the inside. So having your eyes closed or having this time to settle in does not maybe feel comfortable. Maybe you're feeling a little bit like, I don't know if I want to do this. Like, what's she going to talk about? I'm appealing to you, okay? So what we're going to do right now is we're going to imagine what we would rather feel. What would you rather be feeling right now? Peaceful, confident, lovable, kind, supported. Whatever you would rather feel, what you wish you would feel. I want you to think about that. And I want you to actually have that feeling, that emotion. Label it, know what it is. So for our example here, I'm going to use the emotion of peaceful. I would rather feel peaceful. I'm going to imagine that I don't feel peaceful, but I would rather feel it. And so here I am going to imagine in my life any moment in my life where I did feel peaceful. Maybe on that one vacation when I was just letting the sun soak into my skin. Maybe when I'm all clean and nestled into my bed and I'm about ready to turn off the light for a nice slumber. Maybe after a really delicious dinner and the kitchen is cleaned and I can go and hang out for the rest of the night, feeling like things are closed. Just think of what is a moment in your life when you felt that feeling that you wish you felt right now. So put yourself in the moment where in your lifetime you have felt that feeling. You could say, I feel so peaceful when I am on the beach soaking in those rays of the sun. I feel so peaceful when I am soaking in the sun. I feel so peaceful when I'm on vacation. And you're just going to swim in those thoughts, just again and again. Felt so peaceful hearing the oceans lap on the beach. Felt so peaceful when I heard children laughing around me. I felt so peaceful getting away from it all and just swimming in that sense of peace or love or support or whatever it is you're feeling or wishing you felt. So peaceful to allow my body to relax here on this blanket. Take 1 minute now and I want you to swim in your own thoughts, whatever feeling it is that you're wanting. Swim in your own thoughts here. when you felt that way that you wish you felt now. And slowing up just a bit now, maybe bowing your head, maybe chin to chest, and maybe then taking your eyes back to open. How do you feel? Do you feel a little more peaceful or loved or supported? When we can align our thoughts with the way we want to feel, we have a chance to feel the way we want to feel. So how do you know what you're thinking? By the way that you're feeling. Think thoughts that align with the way you want to feel. Okay? May this be of benefit. I hope this was nourishing to you. Play with it today. And may it be of benefit as always. Namaste.